I am building a $1,500 plus gaming PC. First, I'm unboxing the ultimate, all sleek, white gaming shell. Loaded with 6 ARGB fans pre-installed. Wait, double tap and stay till the end for a bonus tip. Now, no worrying about spaghetti wires all around. It also has tempered glass around so you can show off that ultimate time killer. Next, the bonus tip. Wait, one more thing. This case comes loaded with a whole lot of cookies. Pre-installed screw inserts, save yourself some finger pain. Lastly, I spent $85 on this vault. Now for the bonus tip. While using this case, you have to remove the fans on the bottom before adding the motherboard to connect all those microscopic wires. And now,